Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2009 Honda VTX1300C. This is the one with the short fenders, kind of more of a drag bar style for the handlebars, like a straight handlebar across. Gunfighter style seat, but this one has some really nice touring accessories. Beautiful engine guard, nice big bar engine guard. It's got the front running lights with the little light caps, giving it a retro look. The low windscreen, saddlebags. It also has floorboards, front and rear. Those are not standard on this bike. Beautiful big wide passenger backrest with a luggage rack. This bike is in gorgeous, excellent condition. Beautiful blue metallic. Only $64.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is a V-twin 1300 liquid-cooled shaft drive. Come make your big bore V-twin dreams come true. I'm going to fire it up so you can see how it sounds. So powerful it knocked over the camera. Come by, check it out. Beautiful, gorgeous bike. Just $64.99. This is an 09, so the financing will be easy. You can get an extended warranty. 2009 VTX1300C. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.